Masturbation is a topic that many people feel embarrassed to talk about, but it's something that nearly everyone has dealt with at some point in their lives. Whether it's out of boredom, stress, or just habit, it can be easy to find yourself trapped in a cycle that seems harmless, but can actually be holding you back in ways you never imagined. What starts as a simple act of relieving stress or boredom can slowly evolve into a habit that takes a more significant toll on your mental and emotional well-being than you might realize. This is not just about the physical act. It's about understanding the underlying patterns that drive you to seek comfort in a behavior that ultimately limits your potential. Today, we're going to dive into a perspective that you might not have considered before: how the ancient philosophy of Stoicism can help you break free from this cycle. This approach will not only give you tools to address the habit itself, but will also empower you to reclaim control over your life and redirect your energy towards more meaningful pursuits. Step 1. Embrace the Stoic philosophy. Imagine for a moment that every time you give in to the urge, you're not just indulging in a harmless activity, you're actually giving away a little bit of your power, your discipline, and your control over your own mind. Stoicism, a philosophy that's been guiding people for over 2,000 years, teaches us that true freedom comes from mastering our desires, not being enslaved by them. This philosophy emphasizes the importance of self-control and rationality over succumbing to fleeting pleasures. When you constantly seek out pleasure, you're allowing your impulses to dictate your actions, which goes against one of the core tenets of Stoicism: to live in harmony with reason and not be swayed by transient emotions or desires. Stoicism teaches us that by exercising control over our desires, we align ourselves with our rational nature and enhance our ability to live a more intentional and fulfilling life. This philosophical framework provides a powerful tool for understanding how our impulses can undermine our long-term goals and how we can regain control through discipline and reason. Step 2. Understand the impact. But why does this matter? Because every time you give in to the urge to masturbate, you're reinforcing a habit that keeps you stuck in a loop of instant gratification. This cycle of seeking immediate pleasure creates a dependency that can prevent you from pursuing and achieving your more meaningful and long-term goals. Stoics, like Epictetus and Marcus Aurelius, believed that our true power lies in our ability to choose how we respond to our impulses. By choosing to resist, you're not depriving yourself of pleasure, you're exercising your ability to focus on what truly matters and build the mental strength needed to overcome distractions. Each moment of resistance helps to rewire your habits, redirecting your energy toward more productive and fulfilling endeavors. By understanding the impact of these choices, you can see how your responses to your urges shape your path in life and how exercising control can lead to greater personal growth and achievement. Step 3. Accept the challenge. Now, I'm not saying that it's easy. In fact, the Stoics acknowledge that mastering our desires is one of the hardest challenges we face. They recognize that this struggle is an integral part of personal development, and that overcoming it requires significant effort and commitment. By practicing self-control, you're not merely avoiding a momentary pleasure. You're gaining something far more valuable: freedom. Freedom from the constant pull of your urges, freedom to direct your energy toward what truly matters, and freedom to live a life that reflects your deepest values and aspirations. The Stoics believed that this process of overcoming challenges and building self-discipline leads to a more meaningful and rewarding existence. Embracing this challenge is not about achieving perfection, but about continuously striving for progress and aligning your actions with your core principles and goals. Step 4. Apply Stoic principles. So, how can you start applying this Stoic principle in your own life? The first step is awareness. Recognize the moments when you feel the urge and understand that you have a choice in how you respond. This awareness is key to breaking free from the cycle of automatic responses and allows you to make deliberate choices that align with your higher goals. You can either give in to the impulse or take a step back and remind yourself of your long-term objectives and the kind of person you wish to become. Every time you choose to resist, you reinforce your commitment to these goals and build a stronger sense of self-control and purpose. This process of conscious decision-making helps you to remain focused on your path and gradually shifts your habits toward more constructive and rewarding behaviors. Step 5. Practice mindfulness and reflection. The Stoics were known for their emphasis on journaling and reflecting on their daily actions and decisions. Incorporate this practice into your routine by asking yourself questions such as, did I act according to my principles today? Did I allow my impulses to control me, or did I manage to control them? This kind of daily reflection helps you stay connected to your progress and keeps you mindful of your journey towards self-mastery. By regularly evaluating your behavior and thoughts, you can gain valuable insights into your patterns and make adjustments that align with your Stoic principles. This practice not only aids in tracking your progress, but also strengthens your resolve by reinforcing the importance of living in accordance with your values. Over time, this reflection fosters a deeper understanding of yourself and helps you remain committed to your goals, enhancing your ability to handle future challenges with greater ease and resilience. Step 6. Embrace progress over perfection. Lastly, don't be too hard on yourself. The path to self-mastery is a journey, not a destination. The Stoics believed that it's not about achieving perfection, but about making consistent progress toward your goals. Every small victory, every time you resist the urge, is a step closer to the freedom you're seeking. So, if you slip up, don't dwell on it. Learn from it and keep moving forward. The Stoic approach encourages you to view each setback as a learning opportunity rather than a failure. By focusing on incremental improvements and celebrating small successes, you build momentum and reinforce positive habits. This mindset helps you stay motivated and resilient, understanding that growth is a continuous process. Embracing progress over perfection allows you to maintain a balanced perspective and remain committed to your journey of self-improvement. In conclusion, masturbation might seem like a small issue, but from a Stoic perspective, it's a powerful opportunity to practice self-control and strengthen your character. By understanding and applying these ancient principles, you can break free from the cycle of instant gratification and start living a life that's truly guided by reason, purpose, and inner strength. The Stoic philosophy offers practical tools to regain control over your impulses and align your actions with your deeper values. So next time you feel the urge, remember your freedom is just one choice away. By choosing discipline and reflection, you empower yourself to lead a more intentional and fulfilling life, grounded in the wisdom of Stoic principles and driven by your own sense of purpose. Thank you for joining me on this philosophical exploration. Remember, the key to a Stoic life is not just in knowing, but in doing. Seize the day, stay resilient, and may your path be filled with wisdom and virtue. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with those who may benefit from the timeless wisdom of Stoicism. Until next time, Stay stoic, stay strong,